Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is September 23rd, 2021. I wanted to come in and do an expose on Tom Nash. He's one of these stock YouTubers that be out on YouTube space, pumping a lot of stocks, trying to act like he's doing a whole lot of research for the people. But yet and still, he comes through and acts like he gets every prediction correct, which I know he doesn't. You all know that he doesn't get them all correct, but he comes out every once in a while. And on his channel, he does a community post, right here. Simply showing you the winners, right? He never comes through and showing you the losers of the calls that he picks of his stock recommendations that goes against his prior ideas, right? He's looking for a stock to go up, but then in the end, the stock goes down. He never comes back through and say, hey, guys, I missed this one. This wasn't correct. But instead, he tries to persuade you to come on over to his Patreon page to think that you'll get some great plays, that you'll get some great recommendations in terms of where price is going to go. So I wanted to come through and do an expose on this particular stock right here. All right, it was Wish. Now, you guys can see that he did this community post, trying to exemplify one of the great picks that he did for Oracle, right? Cool. But he also has a comment section on this community post. And I want to scroll down. I want to show you something that a person left on this post, right? And you can see it's right here. Man, Wish really burned a lot of people, took a massive dump. And then he responded back to that comment and was like, that's why I don't do anything short or medium term. Temporary swings can be crazy, and that is the reason to invest long term and be patient. So I said, well, cool. Let me look and see what really happened and try to see if I could find this video that Tom Nash did. And lo and behold, he did do a video for Wish. And here it is right here. Okay, this is the video right here that he did in Wish. Now I want you all to listen to something that he says, and then I'm gonna go a little bit further into why did he try to switch some things around to try to act like he didn't do this video, that he didn't try to pump and say that Wish was a good stock to buy. You guys will see that as I continue to go on through this video. But first, listen to this small clip that I got from this video right here. It is still posted on YouTube, and see what he said regarding Wish. So hold on right quick.
As you just saw, I think Wish creates a really good opportunity to get in on a hot market at a reasonably priced company. Again, my opinion, which means it might be inaccurate, might be wrong, might be the ramblings of a madman. You got to do your own research no matter what.
So he said we got to do our own research no matter what. Well, he spent this whole 11-minute video trying to persuade the viewer that Wish is a great buy, right? Just look at this. He goes through the whole video. You all will see that he even did a spreadsheet, right? He did a spreadsheet in the market for Wish. Do you see this? He has EBITDA, after tax, capex, discount rate, present values, present sum, perpetual growth valuation, all of this information. So it seems that he already did his due diligence. He already did the research for us. It was an 11-minute video right here about Wish. It was all about Wish and how he felt that this was a reasonable opportunity to come in at a reasonably priced stock. Now, this video was uploaded on June 30th, 2021. We're going to look at the chart and see where the price is in Wish right now. I mean, even look at this. He even goes as far as shows us what the analysts are talking about in regards to Wish. They had a price target of $18.60 in Wish when this video was posted, or when he pulled this screenshot of tip ranks for Wish. It was trading around $13.04, 40 cents. So again, why would we need to do research? It seems to me that Tom Nash already did the majority of the research for us. Now check this out. You guys can see that the title of this video, right, only has stock review. Did he change that? Because there was a comment that I saw here that kind of made me think that Tom did in fact change the title of this video. And it's right here. Tom, why did you change the title of the video from why Wish is a great e-commerce play for 2021 to Wish stock review? Laugh out loud. Can you make a follow-up, please? Was the sell-off an overreaction after earnings? It seems to me that somebody caught Tom changing the title of the video. I wonder why. Because it was a very bad call. He spent 11 minutes trying to pump up Wish stock and the market went down. And somebody caught him. Why did you change the title? Right? And then the second thing, if he changed the title, I wonder if he changed the thumbnail. Look at this. All you had to do was go into Google and type in Tom Nash Wish stock. This was the original thumbnail right here in the top left side of my screen. This was the original thumbnail that Tom used to try to get you all to click on the video. But this is the click right here. So once I click on this, this is the thumbnail that we get. It seems to me like he changed the thumbnail as well. I wonder why. So you have Tom Nash coming through, reversing all of his ideas. He tried to do it under the radar, but somebody called him. So he couldn't get away with this. Somebody actually caught him changing the title of the video, changing the thumbnail of the video, but he kept the video up, right? Because he wanted these views. He has 41,373 views on this video with 2.68 thousand likes. And another thing you guys can see is that he mentions it here, that he doesn't have a position in Wish. But yet still, he's done a whole recommendation video stating that Wish stock is reasonably priced. That is a great opportunity to come into the market and buy it. All right, cool. If that's the case, let's take a look at the price chart and see what actually happened to Wish stock. Now, this video was posted on June 30th, 2021. So let's look at the chart then, okay? Because this is the current price action in Wish. The video was posted to YouTube on this particular day. So if I take it from the close of that particular day, if we were to take his recommendation and buy the market in Wish, look at the price now. It is now down at $6.15. That is about 53% loss into the market in less than a couple of months. Now you kind of get an idea why he don't want you all to know about his bad call in Wish. But this is why so many other people need to start doing these videos on these YouTubers so that you can catch them, because he's trying to hide the mistake of him recommending this particular stock so that you all don't know about it. But we caught it. And somebody else in the comment section of that video also caught it as well. So now, what do you all think? Just for you to break even, okay? If you were to take that position in Wish after watching his video, the market would have to increase 115% just to break even, okay? Just to recoup your original investment, the market in Wish would have to increase 115%. Now, I know a lot of you may say, well, Wish is a great opportunity. Just hold. Don't worry about it. This is a long-term position. Tom doesn't trade on the short term, yada, yada, yada. But you guys want to say that if this market in Wish, instead of going down, if it would have went like this, you'd have called Tom the best trader, the best long-term investor in market history if the market would have went up. But instead, it went down. So now you got to reverse your mentality and say, hey, yeah, he's a long-term holder, 3 to 5 years. Right, I got it. But either way, the market is down from his call that he originally did. So now the question is, why go through all of this research, right? It seems to me like you are a madman when you come through and try to do all this research and the price completely goes against your expectations. I mean, look at these comments. I love that you share financials for a company and also showed us how you get that information. Oh, okay. It's less than $5 now. Somebody actually called it and came back and reminded Tom that the price is now going down. Somebody else also left a comment. Guys, I'm here to tell you Wish will go back up. Be calm and hodl, okay? I will be buying more Wish soon. That was 3 weeks ago. Now the price is all the way down here towards $6. All right, so I just wanted to come in and show you some ideas, something that I saw that Tom Nash did not want to let you all know about. And currently, this is it. He didn't want you all to know that his recommendation for Wish stock went against you. But yet still, he wants you to come through and join his Patreon page. He wants you to pay a monthly subscription just for you to get some of his calls, his plays, even when they go right and when they go wrong. He wants you to pay to see the stocks that go wrong, but wants you to pay to see the stocks that also go right. That's ridiculous. If you're coming on a free platform like YouTube and you're spewing your recommendations of stocks, you should also be able to come back and say, okay, this is what happened since I recommended this stock. It didn't go right. But he hasn't done an update yet. So I just wanted to come in, show you all some expose of these stock YouTubers and the picks and recommendations that they are doing. And they're doing their due diligence. I mean, if you're doing these YouTube videos, what are you trying to say? Either you're not doing your due diligence, or you're expecting what you're saying to the actual viewer that they need to do their own due diligence. When you went through a whole 11-minute clip showing your spreadsheet, showing what the analysts have talked about for Wish, and yet still, what else research is there to do? That is just an scapegoat for these YouTubers to say, hey, even if I get it wrong, I told you to do your due diligence. But they don't figure out that, hey, by me looking at your video is part of my due diligence. I'm looking to you because you've done all of these research, and yet still the stock still went down. Wow. Thanks a lot, right? So we're here. Hit me up. Come to this website, HueFinancial.com. We're going to give y'all more of our stock picks. We don't be confused. We don't spend 11, 12, 13 hours looking at spreadsheets, looking at EBITDA, looking at future earnings potential. None of that. We just look at the price chart. So if you guys want to learn more, all you got to do is sign up just like you did just to see this video. We're here. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and I'm out.